The TWB-36 Crowfoot from Park Tool adapts any 3/8" drive torque wrench or tool to work with other tools featuring 36mm wrench flats. The TWB-36 Crowfoot is perfectly paired with Park Tool lock ring tools such as the LRT-2, LRT-3, and LRT-4, but will also work with any legacy 36mm drive tools. With its 3/8" square drive fitting, the TWB-36 fits your favorite torque wrench, allowing you to verify lock rings and other components are torqued to their correct specifications. Laser cut from 4130 steel and plated for a long life, the TWB-36 Crowfoot from Park Tool.